And that's just the camera making it look like it's doing that, but they're just spinning, so. Alright, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 85,000 miles on the odometer, and this thing is nasty sounding. Really, really nice. Now it does have an upgraded clutch and shifter, so it is pretty tough to push in that clutch. We got the short throw, but once you get the hang of it, it's not bad. No complaints with the drivability. Really, really nice. That steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Like I said, the seats are new. Very, very comfy. Beautiful, beautiful car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at that front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Got the NT 555s. Looking at the fender, a couple little rock chips here and there. A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, a couple little impacts, a few right there. Little chip there. Typical little swirls from just kind of everyday washing. Little chip there. You do have a gash right there. That tire, date code 2024, looks really good. That wheel looks nice. Typical pitting on the inside with that chrome, very common. Looking at that pillar, a couple little dimples here and there. Here on the roof. Overall, looks really good. You do have a wiper delete, and then you have these inserts here. Those look really good. Here in the front, a couple little rock impacts, a few little chips. You got one chip up there. Looks like a couple on that upper section. Looking at these headlights, those are crystal clear. They look really good. Same with the fog light down there. That looks good. Another couple imperfections here and there. You're gonna have a little crack in the clear there. You're gonna see some flaws there. We got a little chip there. That headlight looks amazing. Looks really good. Got a couple chips there. couple small dimples here and there. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. That looks really good. I see some little flaws in the paint here and there. Do have a crack right there. Little chip here. Side mirror looks good. Here on the A-pillar, a couple flaws here and there. And then you're gonna see some little dimples here and there, like that. Got the dark window tint, looks really good. A few small chips. Quarters looking good. That wheel's looking awesome. Got a couple chips in there. I do see some hard water stains on this upper deck lid. That taillight's super clean. You're gonna have a couple hard water stains right there. Got the bore lid. A couple small dimples. Otherwise, it looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. Absolutely gorgeous. I believe these seats were redone just recently and they look awesome. Alcantara is perfect. See how smooth and clean all of that is. Looking at that door panel, a couple little markings right there. That looks good. Looking at this trim, you do have some flaws in it. Looks like some cracks there and it is kind of popping out. That's a quick fix though. Lower side looks good. That trim looks nice. A couple flaws here and there. Looking at that jam. There's your sticker. No floor mats there. Bolsters look amazing. Seats look just brand new. Really, really nice. Steering wheel, that's in great condition. That looks good. Gauges look awesome. Trying to scan through that upper side of the dash. That looks nice. You do have a crack right there. I guess that's in really good condition. Here on that door panel, got that little spot here, otherwise nice and clean, and some of that's kind of fading. The rest of that panel looks awesome. You do have a gash right there. You can see that. No floor mats. And then check out the seats. I believe these were recovered just recently and they look awesome. Really, really nice. That side of the console looks good. Light little scratch there. Glove box is in great condition. Upper side of the dash, that looks beautiful. Very, very nice. That looks really good as well. All right, checking out the engine bay. Batteries from 3 F25, so really new. Just gonna scan through all this. Looks good. There's those vents. Clean install there.